Austin, Texas. A city with a little under 1 million people is moving up the ranks fast. With a big city on the rise, efficient public transportation is key. While most of the rail is clearly in development stages, one branch continues to shine. Austin's Metro Rail, part of CapMetro's vast transport network, stands out among the many bus routes that scatter the area. This 32-mile line with 9 stations shows the city of Austin what is possible in their future. Let's explore the small commuter rail line in the capital of the Lone Star State. Starting here in downtown Austin, we check out the appropriately named Downtown Station, which is the newest on the line, having been finished in October of 2020. Under budget and behind schedule. The station hosts 3 tracks with 4 boarding areas for future system expansion. Each platform is equipped with LCD displays that show the times of departing trains and tells you them verbally in fluent English and Spanish. Our train today is a Stadler GTW, a diesel multiple unit. Each train also has fluent English and Spanish announcements. These trains come equipped with comfy seats, bike racks, tables for work, and some nice air conditioning. Let's check out the trains departing from downtown before we go out of the city. While we head up the line, let's learn more about the history of this route. Metrorail was inaugurated in March of 2010, but the idea was proposed long before. The idea came about in the 1990s after Austin citizens pushed for public rail transit. The Texas legislature told Metrorail to make the rail transport of some sort, and they got it. After multiple delays with construction and safety, the line opened to the public on March 22nd. 2 years after its original opening date in 2008. The route takes a little over an hour to travel, and each station is located in the heart of the communities they serve, which is vital for rail transport. Approaching Howard Station, freight cars become visible. We are right along the Austin and Western Railroad's main line, serving multiple industries in the area. Now we arrive at Lakeline Station, the second to last on the route. Lakeline is the largest station in terms of transfers, as there are multiple bus lines that stop here. I chose to stop here for the great views of trains coming around the corners. Take a look. Thank you guys for watching this month's video. If you enjoyed this content, make sure you like and subscribe. And, as always, enjoy trains.